Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. Any kind of backlink you can create on this site. So the website name is jsfidel.net. So this is a website dashboard, and before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 87, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 84 and the spam score is only 6%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 1.8 million monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from India, USA, Russia, UK, Korea and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So this is a research of this website. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website URL and the dashboard, and I can show you how you guys will create backlink on this site. So simply you can see top of the right corner there is a sign in button. You can click on this. First thing, we can create our profile. So there is a sign up. You can fill your all details. So we have successfully created our profile on this site, and after that you guys will update your profile details. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So there we can add job ma. Interviewing location is United States, company name is Jobma, website is this, and after that we can click on the save button. And there is a social media section. So if you're wanting, so you can add your social username, and after that you can click on the save button, because rest of social accounts I don't have. So we have completed these things. So simply you can click on this logo icon and you will see this is a dashboard. So you guys will create your article. Suppose that we are going to create article submission backlink. Okay, so how we can do these things? So simply you can, I have generated an article, so let me show you. So this is my article, and let me remove these things. So this is my articles I have already generated. So I can going to take help for the chat GPT to convert into HTML. So convert into HTML. Let me see what kind of result I can get from there. What is this? H1. Okay. Yeah. So it's might be take couple of seconds. So your content HTML should be going to ready. So we can going to paste over there, and also then what we can do, generate meta title and description for this. Meta title, and for this, so meta title is this, so let me paste it over there. So you guys will add your title, article title over there, and your description. And I think our HTML code is should be going to ready. Yeah. So let me paste our HTML code over there. And how we can do it, hyperlink. So simply you can select your any of keyword. So one way video interviews. So this is R1, second one targeted keyword, targeted content. So you can see this is your display content. So it's look very nice. And now we can hyperlink our targeted keyword. So one way video interviews, a HRF, I'm doing some mistake, so let me HTML hyperlink. So you can paste, type this keyword, and you can see this is a code, so we can use for the hyperlinking. So you can paste this code over there, and this is the keyword. You can paste your keyword on this section, and in the URL section you can paste your website URL. So I have added, and the one keyword is I can going to paste on red flags. So same things I can going to do, a href, and after that I can paste red flag. Where is the red flag? So jobma. And if you're wanting to found any piece on your website with the help of and you don't know what is the exact URL and where is the URL, but you have idea about the your page title or the heading, so you can paste how you guys will found your any hidden pages over your website. So I can give you one example. So you can open your home page, and before the https you guys can type site colon, and after that space and the bracket, double bracket. There you guys can type your title. So red flag, I have blog post for this name. So you can see, yeah, so this is my page, so I found easily. So if you don't know, so you can follow this step to you can find your hidden pages. So I can go to paste my URL on this section, and the red flag is so I have closed. And I can paste my targeted keyword in this section. So our hyperlink is ready, one way video interviews, and the second one is this. So you can see this is your landing page URL. So once you guys will complete these things, so simply you can copy your landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is instant approved backlink, and the okay, so let me save. Yeah, so it's saved now, and the resource JavaScript. Okay, fork. So I think this is something different thing. So let me ignore this. Yeah. So I recently, so you can see in incognito. So I can going to show you. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So I have opened this URL in the incognito tab, and you guys will see this is a backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality do follow article summation backlink we have created on this site, and this is your profile backlink, and I can show you it's a 404. So I guess this is something different. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from my side. So okay, bye bye and take care.